Chapter 10. The Temperate Grasslands. Gear up! Hello friends! Today we will read about the grasslands. Prairies are extensive grasslands in North America. Let us read and learn more about them. Grasslands. You have already read about the different climatic conditions prevailing in different parts of the world. Some regions experience extreme climates where summers are too hot and winters are too cold. These parts also receive low rainfall. In these regions, only grasses grow. Most of the grasslands of the world are located between 30 and 55 degrees latitude in both the hemispheres, in the interior of continents. All the grasslands have their specific names. The major grasslands of the world are 1. Asia, steppes. 2. Eurasia, steppes. 3. North America, prairies. 4. South America, pampas. 5. South Africa, veld. 6. Australia, downs. World Temperate Grasslands. The grassland found in the interior of the North America is called the prairies. It is a French word which means meadows. It is a region of flat, gently sloping or hilly land. Prairies are mostly treeless, but near low-lying plains, rivers, valleys and woodlands can be found. The landscape is dominated by tall grasses which can grow up to 2 meters high. Location. The prairies are located in the interior of North America in the northern hemisphere. This grassland extends from Canada to Mexico. Before the arrival of Europeans, this region was used to be a grazing ground for animals like bison, which were very common earlier but are almost extinct now. They were killed in large numbers by the people for their meat. Today, it is the biggest farming region of the world. The temperate grasslands are situated between latitudes 23.5 degree north and 66.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south and 66.5 degree south. Climate. Being located in the heart of the continent, the region experiences extreme type of climate. There is a lot of difference between the summer and winter temperatures. The summers are hot and the winters are quite cold. In the temperate grasslands of the northern hemisphere, the temperatures can reach up to 38 degrees Celsius in summer and drop to minus 20 degrees Celsius in winter. These grasslands receive 50 to 70 centimeters of rainfall annually. In the temperate grasslands of the southern hemisphere, the temperature is not so extreme. It remains above 18 degrees Celsius or so throughout the year. Vegetation. These grasslands can be divided into tall grass areas and short grass areas. The prairies receive more rainfall than the steppes, and the grasses in the prairies are generally taller. Due to the lack of tall trees, winds blow strong and fast in the grasslands. In the absence of a natural barrier, the soil of temperate grasslands is very fertile. The roots of the grasses extend deep into the soil and become a rich source of nutrients when they die and rot. The ground is home to many small living creatures such as worms and insects, which add to the richness of the soil. Because of the fertility of the soil, these regions are largely used as agricultural land. During winters in the northern hemisphere, the grasses become dry and brown and eventually die. However, the roots remain alive in the soil. When winter ends and the temperature rises, the grasses come to life again. On the other hand, the temperate grasslands of the southern hemisphere do not get so cold in the winters. Here, the grasses remain green throughout the year. Water is available in plenty from the Mississippi and Missouri rivers. The main crops produced in the prairies are maize, wheat, barley, rye, oats, potatoes, soya bean, cotton, alfalfa, and nutritious grasses. Prairies are the largest wheat growing areas in the world, and the USA exports surplus wheat to other countries. As a result, They are well known as the wheat basket of the world. Mississippi River. Wildlife. The grasslands are home to a variety of rodents. A wide variety of grazing animals are seen in these grasslands. Common animals found here are deer, antelopes, black-tailed prairie dogs, wolves, and rabbits. Domestic animals such as goats, sheep, cows, bullocks, horses, and donkeys are numerous because of the extensive green pastures. Birds like bustards, falcons, hawks, owls, and eagles are mostly commonly found here. Reptiles like rattlesnakes and bull snakes are found in these grasslands. Insects like grasshoppers, leafhoppers, and spiders are also commonly found in the prairies. The soil of the prairies contains billions of tiny organisms that feed on dead plants and animals. Bustard, falcon, eagle, rattlesnake, grasshopper. Life of the people. The people of the prairies enjoy a good life with all the modern facilities. Most of them are engaged in farming, converting grasslands into farmland. They own many efficient farm machines to help them cultivate their vast farms. All the works such as plowing, sowing, harvesting, and threshing are done by machines. The storing of food grains in the silos is also done by machines. Only a few workers are required to cultivate thousands of hectares of land, since every work is done by modern machines. On each farm, there are small homesteads where the farmer's family and a few workers stay. The western part of the prairies is hilly with less fertile soil, suitable only for growing grasses. The people in this part graze their animals on open grasslands called ranches. They have big cattle farms, and cattle rearing is done mainly for beef and milk products. Chicago is the biggest for slaughtering animals. The production of beef is so high that it is exported to some of the European countries. Dairy farming is done by using the latest techniques. The dairy products are sent to different parts of the country for processing, and most of the dairy products are also exported to Europe. People living in grasslands are continuously trying to improve their lifestyle with scientific discoveries and new technologies. However, the climate still controls their activities. Industries. Many minerals are found in some parts of the prairies, the pampas, and the veldt. Lignite, the most inferior quality of coal, and mineral oil are mined in large quantities here. Ore extracting factories and oil refineries have also been developed here. The most important industry in the grasslands is the meat packaging industry. Gold and diamond mines are famous in the veldt region of southern Africa. Mind map. Grasslands, location, climate, vegetation, wildlife, life of the people, industries.